Welcome, engineers. Today we're exploring the Thermal Efficiency Interactive Calculator, a tool that solves one of the most fundamental problems in thermodynamics, determining how effectively a system converts heat input into useful work output. Let's examine the calculator's features. First, you'll see the calculation mode dropdown with 6 options: calculate thermal efficiency, calculate work output, calculate heat input, calculate Carnot efficiency, calculate actual efficiency from Carnot, and calculate fuel consumption rate. For this demonstration, we'll select Calculate Thermal Efficiency. The input fields include work output in kilojoules or kilowatts, heat input in kilojoules or kilowatts, thermal efficiency as a percentage, hot reservoir temperature, cold reservoir temperature, with a temperature unit drop-down offering Kelvin or Celsius. Additional fields include Carnot efficiency percentage, actual efficiency percentage, power output in kilowatts, fuel heating value in megajoules per kilogram, and another thermal efficiency percentage field for fuel calculations. Let's work through a practical example. For a gas turbine system, enter work output of 3,500 kilowatts, heat input of 10,000 kilowatts. Click Calculate. The result shows a thermal efficiency of 35%, which is typical for modern gas turbines. For Carnot efficiency comparison, enter hot reservoir temperature of 1200 Kelvin and cold reservoir temperature of 300 Kelvin. The calculator returns a Carnot efficiency of 75%, showing the theoretical maximum. These outputs tell you both your actual system performance and how far you are from the theoretical limit. The gap between actual and Carnot efficiency reveals improvement potential. Remember, always use consistent units across all inputs to avoid calculation errors. Find the link in the description below.